ai buram bat jinghero ke Jemima Rodriguez ya Jisu hadin bagi India kalarung syaka final World Cup nakaliang jungki kentai haka ialehkai Kriket ni pedang sengau babat ai ku belahi pi baro kitu ki baju sengau tenat ban sengau bat ban pet ya ki videos haka nei ke channel ke Jemima Rodriguez kabalong ke Thei ialehkai Kriket jong keri India kabadai nakanong ba Mumbai kala ai ya ke jinghero bat ke buram sya Jisu hadin ke jingjop jongka bat ke India ya ke Australia haka ialehkai Kriket nakaliang jongki kentai haka World Cup haka semi final bat ke India kale Bandung syaka final jongka World Cup hadin bakalala ban pelim ia kari Australia desan weekend kumta ke India hadin kene ke jingjop jongka Persya ya ke Australia kan ya kon Persya ya ke South Africa haka ialehkai final haka artarik jong penai November usnam arajat arpusan haka por lai baje jan med ti ale mentah ngene ngapno ya kene ke jingkren jong ke Jemima Rodriguez haka interview baka ai ke jingero bat ke buram sya ublai ya ke jingjop jongka bat kari India.
India to the World Cup final. Jemmy, it's the stuff of dreams. I can imagine there's a lot of emotion in you right now. What are your first thoughts?
Firstly, I want to thank Jesus because I couldn't do this on my own. I know He carried me through today. I want to thank my mom, my dad, my coach.
You keep talking to yourself, you almost motivate yourself. There's a lot of messages to the crowd as well. Just take me through what you keep telling yourself through and things like that.
Yeah, I think initially I was just playing, I just keep talking to myself. But towards the end, I was just quoting one scripture from the Bible because I had lost energy. I was very tired. I was drained, but one scripture that says, just stand still and God will fight for you. And that's what I did. I just stood there and He fought for me.